welcome back to my channel. So today is all about the Urban Decay Born To Run palette. Yes honey, get yours. So I've created a look for you guys. This is kind of like my staple look with the burnt orange, but then I went in with a green, blue and misty undertone. And yeah, if you want to get this look, then stay tuned for that video. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So what are you waiting for? Like, have you hit the subscribe button? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, before anything, we will be taking the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is my favorite, and I always use this in all my videos when doing eyeshadow looks. Like I tell you guys, it just literally aids to help keep the eyeshadow in place. So I'm just going to blend that in with a beauty blender, and this really is like a magic trick. So because I want my eyeshadow to like be a little bit matte, I'm going to go in with the Bouji brush. I'm just going to spray it with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to kind of wet that look up. And we are going to go in with Baja. I'm just going to swatch it for you. It is like an orangey, burnt orange. And if you know me, then you know that I love burnt oranges. I'll show you the rest of the colours. And it's a really nice palette, to be honest. I think I'm going to do like an orange and green look for you guys. But I want my orange to be a little bit more like wet. So yeah, just going in with Baja. And of course, the colour picked up straight away on my brush. That's no surprise with Urban Decay because their palettes are quite pigmented anyway. So yeah, I'm just going in with Baja just as a top coat. And Baja is actually a matte eyeshadow anyway, but I wanted to just wet my brush just to have more of a matte finish. So I'm just going to take my Real Techniques Deluxe crease brush and we're just going to blend that all out. I'm then going to go in with Accelerate. Accelerate! I know I don't sound like Christina Aguilera. But yeah, Accelerate is just a bronzy. And I'm just going to put Accelerate just in my crease line. And of course we gonna blend that all in. We don't want it to look, you know, like it's segregated. We don't like no segregation around here. Okay, for my lash line, I'm probably going to go in with a mix of Radio and Big Sky. Just going to swatch those for you. They're really nice shimmery green tones. Radio is obviously like a... Oh, okay, well, Radio is more of a bluish tone, to be honest. And Big Sky is like a mossy green colour. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love how perfect this Real Techniques accent brush is. And because it's like slightly curved, it's just so much easier to like apply this colour to my lash line. Love this brush. I'm also going to finish it off, like I said, just a little bit, tap back in with that Big Sky, which is that mossy green colour. So just going to put that in the corners of my eyes. Oh my god guys, that colour is gorgeous. Look how popping it's made my eyes, guys. Okay, just gonna blend that all in together, you know. Okay guys, just put on my mascara just to get the final look. I didn't want to do like a long crazy look, so yeah. But yeah, I really love this like burnt orange. I always do burnt orange, and I love this kind of green undertone and then a little hint of blue. Urban Decay have these new lo-fi lip mousses. This is an Echo. So I'm just going to swatch it for you. It feels quite like powder, but it's like a mousse. But this is like a plum colour. So I'm just going to like just take some. And this is in the colour Echo. They did give me quite a few to try, so I will try them out and I will get back to you and do a full review on them. But I thought I'll just like place it just to finish off the Urban Decay look. But it's kind of like a lip balm, but it's like the texture of a lipstick. It feels so weird guys, but I will do an in-depth review on it. I just bought this out just for the purpose of the look. And of course we're going to spray with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and it is long lasting. We're just going to spray. And that just aids to set the makeup, make sure it stays in place all night. But yeah guys, that's it. What do you think about this look? Do you love it? Are you loving it? If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave a list of the links down below. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.